ta.
Jadą na pas tam.
2.
A można tutaj pod te?
So guys, we're at the airport right now. Not really, but we're gonna do some plane spotting. That was a Flyby, by the way. Możemy powoli bliżej. It will be better when they take off because you can't even see them from here, can you? If you go up too fast. Yep, it's a Flyby. And your favorite airline.
This is the plane taking off.
Yep, oh, yeah, I see it over there. What's up, Flyby? I have a flight, guys, if you know Flight Radar 24, yeah, I basically checked it, and it was literally legit, because, like, I saw a TUI fly, like, taking off at, like, 1:35 p.m., and it said that on the app, and it actually did take off. That was so epic. And it actually showed it on the map, too, on the thing. This is, like, the closest I've got to an actual plane, besides actually going on one, but, like, looking at them while they land. I'm literally like this close to an airplane. What's up, Flyby? You good, boy? Oh, one taking off. It's taking off. It's taking off. Guys, it's a British Airways. Let me guess, it's going to London City Airport. Wait for it. There it is. And now it's quiet. Bye, Bruce. That one is like the Embraer plane, and the Embraers usually fly to from here to London City Airport. So I think that's probably London City. Right, yeah, we're going to wait a minute. What does that say? I think that sign says to not get too close to the fence. Yeah, I think that sign, that red sign says to not get too close, I think. Let me guess. You little sign. Yeah, czytaj it. Come on, where are your planes? Where's that one? Is it gone? Nope. It's... I think I can still hear it. What did it say?
Behind it.
So behind it, so we can go like to it.
Here.
No, never mind. That was kind of right and wrong because you kind of. Okay, I was pretty wrong. I'm sorry, but there's supposed to be a cat taking off in about 2:05, and it's like 2:03 right now. So I don't know if it departs from the gate at that time or it takes off. I don't know what the flight radar usually tells about that. I think it's when it pushes. Oh, there's a moose here. Right now. Yep, it's pretty quiet now. There's the control tower. So I was in the last video. Somewhere on a parking lot in that area thing over there somewhere. Yeah, okay, it is kind of right here. I do not know. There's something over there. I don't know if one's gonna land. Because we're like right here somewhere. The runway is right here. I'm sorry if this is kind of boring, because I mean there's no planes, so it's not really my fault. There should be one maybe landing or taking off. Oh, wait a minute. I mean that British Airways is going back. I thought that was a plane, but that was just a train. Plane. I think, wasn't there this... I don't know, there's a car on the runway. Oh, there's nothing anymore. There's like no place. And those are British Airways pushing back, at least. That doesn't, like... That British Airways that just took off is like miles away. It was like miles away somewhere over there in the sky. Guys, I really don't want you to be like, I don't want this to be boring, but maybe this can be a vlog and plane spotting at the same time, so I just came here to, I guess, close as possible. And that sign is saying to not go on the other side. Well, I mean, we're not stupid enough to go on the other side. It's obviously not allowed. Yeah, there's no other planes. This can be a vlog / plane spotting if there's not planes for like ages. But this is probably going to be like 30 minutes. Or an hour. Now guys, this is actually a special video because it's the 2-year anniversary of my channel. I started on the 25th of January 2018 and today is the 25th of January 2020. So yeah, and I checked it, it's officially 2 years since I started my channel. It's my very first video. So yeah. Yeah, there's no other planes. Oh my gosh, this video's been 10 minutes and still not any planes on there. If we we get the Qatar taking off now, that'll be a special treat. Because we've been waiting for like 3 minutes or 4 minutes by now since that British Airways took off and that flight B disappeared. Let me see if I at least show. Wait a minute. Wait a quick second. If I had the flight app, I could see if the Qatar was going to the runway or not. I mean, there's wait. No. Wait, maybe if I go a bit that way, maybe I'll see if any planes are going on the runway. Let's go. You guys see anything? Well, I see a British Airways, but I think it's just sitting there. I think it's just pushed back from the gate. I can't believe I'm this close. This is like the closest I got to seeing planes take off and land. I mean, if they would land from this side, you would like at least see the smoke of the plane. There's the control tower. I bet it's like. I really want to go up there because like the view is amazing. Definitely, because the control towers must see the whole airport, runway, everything, taxiways and everything. Because like, yeah. So yeah, there's no planes taking off, but the Qatar should be taking off soon. Oh, come on, I need the flight radar. If you had it on your phone, I would check if the Qatar is taking off or not. Oh, wait a minute. The British Airways is moving. I see the British Airways is moving. The British Airways is going to taxi to the run. Yeah, I don't know which one's first though. I don't know if the Qatar's taxiing or push back because it should. Oh, I think it departed at 5 past because it's 9 past 2 now. And I think it departed 5 past because like, yeah, definitely because like it's. Yeah, it's like a big field right here. Very big field. I don't know actually. This has been 13 minutes. Come on, get at least. I swear, if the Qatar takes off now, I'll be so happy. It's like the first time I see a Qatar right up close. Jeez. What's over there? Yeah, I think I don't know. Oh my gosh, look at all these lights. I'm pretty sure they just turned on. I mean, it's not actually that dark. Because it's like... I think I hear engines. Give us one at least that will land. And if it was a very windy day, then that would be pretty good. What the heck? Okay. Well, that was random. Come on, give us a plane. What was that? What was that? What was that? Explosion. Okay, I'll be